Yeah, here's a good way to keep your battery terminals very clean. Buy these covers. I bought these from Advance Auto. I'll put a link down below showing where they are. And my secret, I'll show you my secret in a minute. First I take, I do this like once a year. Take off the negative first. Oh, down there. This cable up. And kind of hide it there. The positive. Now this will reset your computer, but you know, on older cars like this, so this is a 97 Explorer, it will it has no problem doing this. But I'm going to show you what I do before I put these little pads in. I use this and I clean these out. You know, both sides. These are very clean anyways, but I do this like once a year. And actually, they're so clean, it's like almost they don't almost need to be done. And then, you know, I put it on top of here, and then do the terminals, top terminals. If you got side terminals, well then you're gonna have to do something differently. But this is good for the top terminals. All right, so there's that. And these are, they sell these at Harbor Freight really cheap too, or you can get them at, I think you can get these at Advance Auto too, pretty cheap. Now, my secret is the pads. I leave these, I don't spray nothing on them, I don't put no grease on them, I don't put no Vaseline on them. I don't know, if you got teenagers in your house, you may have some of these laying around. What you do is take these, you get a pad like this, you dry it out, dry the pad out, let it sit out in the air for a while, it'll dry it out. It only takes probably a couple hours. And I'll fold it over like this, and fold it over like that, and I'll take the right here and I'll snip it. When I snip it, make a nice little hole in the middle and put it right over it. And I usually do it 2 pads. So I'll take another pad, do the same thing. Actually, I'm taking 2 at once here. Snip it. There. Okay, I got 2 pads. Put it right over here. And I need one more over there. So we got another pad here. It's really weird how these things work. But since I've been doing this, I don't know, like 6 years now, I got no corrosion on my batteries. Battery terminals. Strange, but it works. Put it on there. And put these babies back on. And put this baby back on. It slides on. These are, you know, you gotta get it snug on there, so it's on there. You put your negative. This is negative. Remember to take the negative out first, then you put your positive. put that cover back on, and that's it. Look at that. And that is a very clean battery terminals. Those are like wicked clean. And then, you know, if you got very clean battery terminals, your whole electrical system will work a lot better. You know, your alternator and you know, everything will just work a lot better. So this isn't like, you know, it's not magic science, but these things are weird, and I never seen anybody use these, but I've seen felt pads, but these seem to work. Get some oxy pads and let them dry out, and I think the chemical inside of them, it keeps the battery acid down or something, but it works. Well, anyways, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, put your comments down below, and subscribe. And remember, keep on wrenching. Thanks for watching.